Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure you have the latest version of Among Us installed on your device. Check your App Store for any pending updates and download them if needed. This ensures you have all the newest features and bug fixes. Step 2. Open the game and navigate to the main menu. You'll see several options displayed on your screen. Look for the Online tab or Multiplayer section where you can connect with other players. Step 3. Find your friends list within the game's settings. Among Us has integrated friend systems that sync with your platform account. You can search for specific friends by their username or player ID. Step 4. Once you've located your friend, select them and look for a Join button or Invite option. Some versions let you send a direct game invite that your friend can accept. This is the quickest way to get into the same lobby together. Step 5. After your friend accepts, you'll be placed in their game lobby. You can then customize your character, select your role preferences, and wait for the game to start. Make sure your audio and video settings are configured before the match begins.